Man, what up? This big triple crown business. Let's get it, homie.
Yo, Royal Crown Spotlight in the building, man. We down south, Southern Louisiana. We're one of the hottest, I don't say up and coming because we've been at it for a while, but man, for those who may not know, introduce yourself.
One, this your boy Miley, this no big dog, no rap daddy. Big side shut gas, like got a certain KKB. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So man, look, we're gonna dive straight in, man. Man, let the people know a little bit about yourself. Your upbringing, where you from?
Yeah, man. Miley, no big dog, no rap daddy. Jeremy, that's it. A lot of people suffer from home, man. That's a big state right there, you know what I'm saying? But I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana area, born. I was raised in there for the most part of my life until the team came in. I moved to New York, then murdered, whatever shit that right now. They call that shit right now. But, yeah, I've been in New York, you know what I'm saying, most of, you know what I'm saying, the other half of my life and shit like that. And, for people that don't know, there's a little history behind my name and shit for the family and shit like that. Lil Derrick brother, third and nephew. Y'all wanna know more about that, go get the mother of the swimming book. Out right now, we got still in the studio out right now. You can look on YouTube, catch up on all that too, for sure we did. There's a lot on that situation. So, it's with that and shit, my story alone and shit too, you dig? So, it's a lot that comes with kids, you dig? So, building more action, I'm over.
Yeah, let's get it. So, we was talking a little bit off camera, man, and it's brought up Katrina. You was 10 years old when Hurricane Katrina happened. You moved to Baton Rouge during that time.
Then like the people, the normal people, Katrina. Not like I was nigga that moved.
So you know after.
Yeah, we know after. So like we literally was in the storm. Like and I never really said this, so like I wanted to make a point to get people to understand because niggas see you say like, wait, don't skip over that. Like nigga really saw fires floating through that bitch. Like it was so much that came with that shit, bro. It was crazy. Like I remember he was trying to get out that shit, nigga trying to take calls and everything to get out. Like it was all type of shit going on.
Being that young when Katrina happened, like were you truly able to process it at 10 years old or over time did you start understanding more of what it was?
That's the greatest shit. I did not process that.
For real?
Man, listen, I did, but I didn't, bro. I tell people, I was telling my cousin, I was like, man, my mom was bringing up that decision for me to keep whether we stayed or left. Like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, like on some like she wanted on my comfortability level with certain shit. Like I know what it was, but like if you were left, you were by whoever, you know what I'm saying? I can't really remember, like, you know what I'm saying? Whoever, you know, it could have been a distant family member or whatever it was. I don't really remember the case, but she just wanted to make sure I was comfortable. So it was like, okay, we either gonna leave and go by whoever that person was, or stay and go by this person and shit. Like, I wanted to go by this person. I'm like, shit, they got a computer over there. I'm like, man, they got a computer over there, that bitch. I get on the internet and whoop. Not thinking, no, man, if it's a hurricane, that shit about to be that shit about to be that shit about to be so I was like, fuck it. So yeah, we ended up staying out there and shit. But it was an experience though for sure though, man, because I ain't gonna lie, like, man, like I said, at the time I didn't process how crazy it was going to be, but like, just really going through that, bro, like, man, that was different. Like, that was different. I'm talking about like we literally was homeless, like couldn't get into shelter, hitchhiking for rides, trying to literally take calls and shit just to try to leave out with it. You know what I'm saying? Like I remember like that's how part of my entrepreneurship journey started. Like like man, I remember at one point we really had shit to eat. Like you know what I'm saying? All the food and shit, all that shit over with. And so like, you know, they got me telling me on the news and shit like, man, look, do what you gotta do, like, you know what I'm saying? Buy some niggas going to the stores and shit, like, taking food and shit like that. At the time, like I said, I'm on the 10. But we had, like, my brother and my cousin and shit living with us too. These niggas probably like about 6 years older than me, so they probably like 16, 17.
So they gonna get it.
Yeah, so they gonna grab shit, right? And so I remember that one day these niggas was gone like all day, but you know, fucking water, you got to walk through this shit.
Were y'all still in your
Yeah, we was in not in our room, but my mom's apartment at the time. So we had an apartment and shit. And we was like a second floor apartment. And the water was like high as fuck. Like the water wasn't all the way to the second floor, but like by the time you get to the stairs, that bitch like, you know, to your knees and shit like big. And I remember like niggas was like just floating on all type of shit to try to like just power to get to the end of the street and shit like that. So it took them a little while to get back. But when these niggas came back with a trash bag full of chips and an ice chest full of candy and shit. I'm talking about the ice chest full of 9-liter Skittles.
So y'all survived on chips and candy.
I'm like, man, y'all niggas dumb as fuck. How the fuck I'm like, man, y'all niggas dumb as fuck. But long story short, I ain't never selling that candy. We moved to VR.
No.
We took that shit with us. So like my 5th grade year, now I'm straight selling niggas candy and shit. Yeah, I'm selling that shit. And fuck, after I finished selling it, fuck, I ended up getting a Sounds membership and shit. And just kept doing it and shit like that.
So you saw the positive in it.
Yeah, oh yeah, I'm always, that's one thing, bro. If I ain't never done it, like, I'm gonna find a silver lining in every fucking day. It's like, I was wanting to so much. I ain't gonna say fuck shit because, like, it was the cause I was doing. I don't really, like, I don't take nothing back or wish I could change them because everything that happened, what we went through, it made me see things different now. So I'm able to tell people certain things. I'm able to, it's a testimony. Like,
you made it through it.
And I made it through it, right? So it's like, I'm able to tell people these things and shit, give them perspective when they're going through things. A lot of people, even artists for sure, they think like they're going through shit that nobody ever been through before. Like, you know what I'm saying? I can tell them everything that you're going through, everybody went through too. Like on the road, we're trying to be great. Like, you're trying to be great and really do some shit that you never do, break curses and shit like that. There's so much that's going to come with it. It's not going to be an easy ride. Like, it may seem easy and shit like that.
To the outside.
But I tell them, I'll be like, because I know one thing I tell you, like, man, this shit easy, but I'm not saying it's really easy. That's why I sat at the top saying that. Like, it's simple. It's not easy, it's simple. Because if you really like, all right, map your shit out, what you want to do in your life, put it on a piece of paper, and you follow these steps. I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow, and next year, but if you keep at it, no matter what circumstances, you're going to get there. So it's simple, like, you know what I'm saying? But it's not going to be an easy ride.
I respect you saying that, man. The thing about it is, that's where interviews are where artists have the opportunity
to tell them type of thing, yeah. But this some shit, be real, this the thing I tell people all day, like, people want, like, I'm a person, like, I know it happened to me for a reason, so that's why I'm learning to even control all them type of things, because people constantly want to talk to me about that shit. I'm a motherfucker that I'm gonna do some life shit, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's some things the person I went through on the road, just trying to figure myself out and take care of my family here, and just like, I'm a real dream chaser for real. Like, I've been like that my whole life, like, to the point where I can't even recognize the dream. And this is shit.
Turn dream into reality.
So it's like, and I'm seeing like how simple it is. I'm about to say it again, how simple it can be. It's just, you gotta choose what you want, and when you choose, you gotta choose. Like, that's it.
It's all or nothing.
It's all or nothing. Right? So that's how I approach everything that I do. Like, you know what I'm saying? So even if it's like a fork in the road or a hiccup or something, I don't even see it because this is what I'm doing. What else am I doing? That's what I'm gonna be doing. I just gotta go through what the fuck that is.
Honestly, before we get up in the Katrina circle, I'm actually one more thing about it because I'm from the social media, man. Anybody outside of New Orleans, everybody heard that thing about people that leave. So I mean, even though you were 10 at the time, you lived through it, like you said, your mom conversed with you about what was going on as you got older. I'm sure you heard everything. So, from your point of view, why do you feel like so many people stay behind? What caused so many people
to stay behind? A lot of people think that shouldn't be that serious. Like, man, it's plenty of hurricanes that told you, like, man, look, things is like, we do the normal. You board up your windows, if you doing the sandbag shit, you do that, whatever it is you do, prepare. Like, nobody, I ain't gonna say nobody, but I know a lot of people could, like I said, my mom left that decision up to me, but I'm knowing if she really knew that shit would have been like that, it wouldn't matter what the fuck I would say. You know what I'm saying? Like, that would have been a thing, but it's like, fuck, people really didn't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think that's what that should be. Like, you just, I don't think that's nothing that nobody do.
Yeah, because that's something I heard too. They say, man, y'all have been told
so many times. I remember so many times. Like, that's why I was like that. I'm like, I'm thinking about computers and shit. Like, y'all said all this crazy shit for the last hurricane. I think I'm trying to go play a game, do some shit. The last time they get up somewhere we won't be up. Shit like that.
So there's been hurricanes before that y'all actually left because they told y'all that?
I could think of like maybe one that I don't remember the name of it. Shit. But I remember one time that hurricane came, we left and like an uncle of mine and family, he was working in a hotel and shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? We all went to the hotel because they were saying like, your family could come here and shit because it was supposed to be like a safe shelter or some shit. But it was just nothing really happened. This was different. I ain't gonna lie. I remember seeing the house and shit that we lived at. Like, man, that shit, man, that shit was crazy. Like, I'm thinking about like all type of shit right now. I'm thinking about it. Like, I remember like partners and shit that I really had with brothers and shit. They had a dude, bro, one of my best friends. Like, we was staying around the corner and shit. He was up on the second and seventh, third and shit. He was like kind of close to his Claymore. And I remember, like right before all this, my mama wanted to go through the process of adopting him. Because he had like all type of shit going on at home and shit like that. He bought me for us. And so I remember, like the day before the storm, he was talking. And my mom was like, man, you want to come over with us? I mean, come with us with the storm. He like, nah, I'm staying with the apartment. Man, we going over, you know what I'm saying? We what's up? Like, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm going to the apartment's going to be bro.
So we get ready?
Nah, well, he made it. Like, but mind you, I didn't know this at the time. This was like, I ain't went back with this nigga until like 7 years later. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, he didn't follow me on, I must be some type of interview somewhere or some shit, and he didn't follow me and shit. You know what I'm saying?
So after Katrina, a lot of people really lost contact.
Contact with a lot of people, that's what I'm getting at. Like, I really lost a bunch of fucking friends. Like, you know what I'm saying? They got people that, you know what I'm saying, I didn't reacquainted with over time and shit, but yeah, a lot of people was lost. Real shit. Just lost contact. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying everybody did. Right. And some people you still don't fucking know. You know what I'm saying?
Man, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. That shit was 05. Yeah. Damn near 20 years ago.
I remember I came back down here. I want to say like 2 years after Katrina, you know what I'm saying? Because you know it took so long. I mean, they still be doing it, let's be honest. So it was like a disaster for a while. And I came and you could still see the water on some of these high buildings. You could see the water going on the bridge.
So people understand, bro, that shit really changed a lot. Like, you know what I'm saying? Families got changed and shit. People once were so close and shit like that. Yeah. In so many different parts of the world. And it's like, I got cousins and shit that moved to Houston and never came back to the Houston. You know what I'm saying?
What is it? Was Houston, Atlanta, and Detroit, like the top of the
everywhere. You know what I mean? So, yeah, Katrina most definitely was a real thing where I don't think enough people really like talk about the actual like
the effect they had
like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I don't think people really talk about that type of shit.
Man, so we'll drop into another situation. I know you man, you talking about one of your interviews, like how close you were to so the cinema. Right. So one of the things I want to ask about, like, man, is it hard coming from the family that you come from? You know, everybody know your uncles, everybody know Cash Money, everybody know your brother. You know, like how does that affect you as an individual, as an artist, and how people treat you?
It depends how you look at it and shit. You dig? Like, I went through different phases of my life with that shit. Like, I went through phases where, you know what I'm saying, like, I didn't pay attention. Like, you know what I'm saying, for one, because it was like as crazy as that shit sounds, like, you know, how fucking pay attention to burden your uncle and, you know.
Cause, I mean, it's natural, that's your uncle.
Like, that's my uncle, but it's like, you know, like, it wasn't, it's not like I had an uncle, like, it's not like that's my uncle that was in my life. You know, he got stripped away from me and shit, so it's like, it's like, that's my uncle. Like,
so where do they fall in that Slim, Bird, and Mother, like chronological order, like who?
Slim the oldest. I think my mom the oldest baby, probably that's a bad
By the time you like really got of age to get off the board, they was already.
Yeah, all that shit. Like, yeah, they was like, they had some pictures that been floating around. It was like, my mom when she was pregnant with me, and I said that and Slim and shit. Like, so like, that picture was probably literally like 29 years ago. Like, you know, literally. Yeah, no, literally. That shit 29 years ago. Yeah, 29. Yeah. That shit was literally 29 years ago. So, like, I mean, at that time, them niggas was already, you know, doing that shit. It wasn't like they was like out of town or nothing like that, but they was already established as like I ain't gonna put them in local status or nothing like that, but it was, you know.
That was on their way.
They was on their way. Yeah, they was on their way for sure.
And you know what, man, I respect you just for speaking on that level, because you know, like, a lot of people grow up, man, and you have like kind of this celebrities, you say, and they have like some type of resentment, but For you to be these young, 29 is still young, man.
Yeah.
For you to be this young and still to understand, like, real established.
Yeah, man, nah, cause I'm a businessman, you heard me? So like, it ain't gonna never really be no bitterness and no shit like that because like, you know, for past anything, like, I respect what they did as, you know what I'm saying, because this is a game I'm in. I'm a student of the game. Like, you heard me? Like, I'm cool to say like some niggas that I'm related to did that shit, so they let me know how to do it too. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't saying we from the exact same street, but all that shit's small. You know what I'm saying? We come from the same shit. So I always took it as like, if they did it, I can do it too. I never looked at it as like, damn, I can own this. He need to be doing this for me, doing that. Like, you know what I'm saying? I never seen it like that. Like, if anything, I always wanted to do that for my people. You know what I'm saying? So like, the time where I was around this nigga and I'm watching him like, you know, handing out a bunch of money and shit, like, it wasn't on me to be like, man, give me this, give me that, and shit like that. Like, I'm trying to see how you can be able to do that. Like, you know what I'm saying?
So really,
yeah, like, you know what I'm saying? That shit is, and like, it's big, and it's like I said, I always wanted to be that for my people. Like, you know, so I always wanted to be people for my people and shit. So like, and seeing that it was more motivation than me. You never made me better and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Then like I said, it was some shit I didn't even understand at the time. Like, it did, like, so it's more certain shit I still don't understand. But like, but right now though, like, man, I salute it. Like, I salute it because like you'll be ahead.
That's real.
Real shit. Like I said, I'm still the game, bro. You do pioneering and shit like that.
That's true.
I mean, but like I said, I didn't understand like how big certain shit was like when my brother and shit was every day. So I couldn't understand the fact. The only thing that put me up with it, I couldn't understand the fact that people couldn't understand. Like, so like, people couldn't grasp meeting me however they met me. Like, being like, and my job, I told you I grew up in Brookstown, North Carolina, New York. Brookstown is, you know, it's a poverty-stricken environment. I'm gonna say that. You know what I'm saying? It's the hood. How people word that shit. Like, so like, nigga can't understand the fact like, man, I am out in the same place with Burger and nothing Burger. Like, bitch, it's just something like that. I'm here with you, nigga. Like,
it's crazy you say that because, man, even though you didn't see it that way, man, a lot of people look at it, they feel like, man, when someone reach a successful level, like, they supposed to be the savior to everyone they relate to. And I'm sure, man, y'all got a fucking word. I know for a fact y'all have a large number, man. Just your mother's siblings. Right. It's a lot of them, you know what I'm saying? But like, a lot of people don't understand that, and I'm glad you got that type of mind frame because it's stuff like this right here that can start unnecessary conversations because you have people speaking on stuff that they don't know. You know, so man, I took my hat to you for real for you just being able to process things the way they are, and not only that, man, being able to keep your brother's legacy alive on a positive level. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I respect it.
Yeah, man. Then like, that's the main thing that's definitely more important. Like, you know what I'm saying? The whole thing. Like, people, I think people was overlooking the fact that I lost a brother versus, like, you know what I'm saying? Losing Lil Derrick. Exactly. You know what I mean? So it was like, that's some shit that took me a long time to get around here. Like, I couldn't understand, like, it'll be niggas, like I get it, motherfuckers attention to me, but they don't really understand, like, they don't know certain people. So, like, the motherfucker walk up to me, like, man, hey, who was down? Who? I'm like, you stupid bitch, what you think I'm doing? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck you think I'm doing? Like, you know, it's like,